Will it microwave? That is the question. I just finished my lunch. I wondered, not a Coke can. I just want to know the microwaves. People say you can't microwave it. I say you can. Will it microwave? Let's just put it on a Coke can. Pour a little bit more. Oh, not gonna putting lighter fluid in. It's fucking dumb. Oh my God. A really productive day. I spent 3 hours getting all these fucking microwaves together, and this is how things ended. 3 hours of my fucking work and money to get these fucking microwaves, and shit fucking whack!